Hi guys, welcome to Dev Suhas. Previous week we explored about reverse method in JavaScript. This week we are going to explore about find method in JavaScript and we'll see what's the exact use of it. So let me switch on to Visual Studio Code to see the find method in action. So let's declare an array of names which has say Angular and then sorry Angular Vue and then React. So there are some names in the names array. So the main objective of using this find function is so you have to find the respective value in this array. So let's say I want to find the respective value of Angular in this array. So I can use the respective find function. So if there are more than two matches, it will just give you the first match where this find function will find the respective value. If there are no value matches, it will throw you undefined. So this is the main objective of using the find function. So we are going to find the respective name, which is Angular. So I'm going to use um, console.log names dot find of say name. So there are two things here basically. So find you can create a callback function and you can use the callback function in this find, or else you can straight away use the respective link you type of query in this find function. So we'll explore both the ways. So the first way we are going to do is like we are going to create an link you query. So say names dot find of, and I'm going to say q equal to and Angular. So if I so that's it guys. So if I save and if I run this file, the output will be Angular. That is expected. So if I just remove this thing from this array, and then if I save and if I run this file, the output should be undefined because I have removed that respective element in that array. So it is expected. So this is the first way guys. So you can just use a link to type of query to extract the respective keyword. Next thing is we are going to create a callback function. So how it can be done? So I'm going to use the same console.log and I'm going to say names.find. So before passing the callback function, first you have to create it. So let us create function find Angular. So this expression parameter called name, and I'm going to say return name equal to Angular. So this is respect to a callback function, and I can use that function here find Angular. So this will give me the same output as in previous version. So if I just comment and if I save and if I run this file, the output should be Angular. Okay, why it is undefined? Because the sensitive the case sensitive, because the A is smaller and A is caps, so that is expected. So if I save and if I run this file, the output should be Angular. Yeah, so the output is Angular. So this is case sensitive. So previously we got it as undefined. So there are two methods. As I said, I can use the callback or the predicate. So the next thing, this is not more interesting, right? So we are just finding the respective value. So let's say we have an object. So we'll just create array of an object. So I'm going to say delete this. I'm going to say const a student and let us create an array of object. So let's say name and then Suhas, and I'm going to say age is 23, and let's say name name say Pandian, and I'm going to say age 35, and then I'm going to say name random, and sorry, okay, random source, okay, we'll just give some random, and age should be something 38. So this is an array of an object. So this is where the find will be very much useful. So let's say I want to get the details of the student Suhas. Basically, all the student details like age, mark, which class he belongs to, something like that. This find function will be very much helpful. So how it can be done? So I'm going to just say student dot find, and I'm going to say q dot name. So basically, student object has name and their age. You can find either using of it. So basically, if you have an array of an object, you must have a key, unique key for it to find the respective details. So here the unique key can be a name. So q dot name equal to I'm going to say Suhas. So if I just say console.log of this whole statement, and if I save and if I run this file, the output should be name and age. So let us just scroll and see the respective output. Yeah, name Suhas, age is 23. So that's how it can be done. And also you can, if the name Suhas is not present, you will return undefined. And if there are more than one Suhas, that it will return the first match of it. So shall we test it? Yeah. So I'm going to declare with the same name, and I'm going to say Suhas, but the age we can give it as 48. And if I save, and I'm just going to clear this log, and if I run this file, the output should be the first match. The first match is 23. Yeah. So it will give you the first match. Find, as I said, find will give you the first match. Uh, so uh, so before using find, make sure you're using it on a unique key. So as I said, name can be a unique key in a record, so name cannot be repetitive or something like that. So this is the main use case of find function, guys. So if you want to if you want to find something in an array, just don't forget to use find function. And then that's it for this week, guys. And also, I just want to share my blog site, devsuhas.com. I also write blogs on Angular, JavaScript, C#.NET, Azure, Azure Studio, Azure Studio Code, etc. Support me, guys, and support my channel if you think this video will be helpful for your friends or any other freshers who are just new to JavaScript. Just share this video, guys, and keep supporting and happy coding. Cheers.